Okay, and we're back. So I mixed all the ingredients into this bowl, and after the potatoes were drained, I don't know, maybe it wasn't quite 10 minutes for those. It's probably more like 5 or 6 for the water to come out of them. Then I mixed all the ingredients together in this bowl, and then this sat out for 10 minutes so it could really kind of meld together. And now I've started cooking them up, and it smells really, really good. And they're cooking nicely. This will take a little while. This is a large bowl of potatoes, and I am just doing it like this. In there, and rinsing my hand in between because, you know, it's messy. It's messy fun. Well, I wish you guys were here to enjoy this with me and think about Dad sitting there at the kitchen table with the grater, grating up the taters and mixing the stuff together, and Mom over at the stove getting the oil ready to cook them up. And we'd always have them with either applesauce or ketchup. And when I was a kid, I always liked it with ketchup. But now I'm more like Dad, and I really like to have these with the applesauce. So once these are cooked up, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to have them with some applesauce and think about you guys. I wish you were here. And yeah, I hope now that you've got the ingredients and you see it's really not hard. You don't even need a food processor. I did all the chopping of the onions and all the grating of the potatoes by hand. The only thing I used the little blender for was to grind up the matzos, and really you could buy matzo meal and you wouldn't even have to use that. So anyway, I've got a few already draining here on that. You just definitely want to drain them off because they are, I mean, it's oil. So, and the other thing I do is I've got the oven on set on low, and I've just got a cookie sheet in there, and so as these drain off the oil, then what I'm doing is I'm putting them in the oven so that they stay warm. These can be frozen, obviously. This is a lot of potatoes. This was 5 pounds of potatoes, and pretty much the last of the potatoes that are worth eating. The rest of them that I've got in my boxes are all starting to sprout, and so I'll be planting those hopefully the next week or so on a good root day, and I'll let you know when that is. All right, well, see, bye. Bon appetit. Love you guys. See ya.